Hello everyone, welcome to Competitive Academia. This is our second video in the series of most important MCQs from Mahesh, Barnwal and GC Leong. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. The first question is, earthquake is a vibration or oscillation on the surface of the earth. It is caused only by natural causes. Please excuse me for this wrong typing. So here only A is the correct answer, but the question is asked as the above statement is false. So second statement is a false statement because earthquake can be caused due to natural as well as man-made reasons. Earthquake is a vibration or oscillation of the surface of the earth which is caused by the elasticity or the isostatic adjustment of the rocks beneath the surface of the earth. So let's move to the next question. Which of the following gas in the atmosphere increases before an earthquake occurs? Here C is the correct answer, radon. Now before an earthquake, waves hit a region, the amount of radon gas increases in the atmosphere of the region. Therefore, rise in the concentration of radon gas over the atmosphere of a region indicates that the region is going to be hit by an earthquake. So let's move to the next question. Which of the following statements are true? The place where seismic waves are generated is called epicenter. The second statement is where the first seismic waves are experienced on the earth's surface is called earthquake origin. Here we have to find out the true statement. So neither 1 nor 2, both the statements are false because the place where seismic waves are generated, for example, this is a point beneath the earth's surface. If we take like this, if this is the earth, then this portion is known as focus, and the portion above this focus is known as the epicenter. This epicenter is on the surface of the earth, and here the point below the surface of the earth from where the seismic waves originate is called the focus, and the place perpendicularly above on the surface of the earth where the earthquake tremors are felt for the first time. So this is the place where the tremors are felt for the first time. This is known as the epicenter. The energy which dissipated from the focus is called the elastic energy. All right, we shall move to the next question. Which of the following statements are false? Here in seismic waves, primary waves move at the fastest speed. This is a correct statement. Second statement is primary waves can move in both solid and liquid. This is true. Secondary waves can travel only in solid medium. We can remember like S for S. And so the second statement is also, third statement is also correct. The fourth statement is primary waves are transverse waves while the secondary waves are longitudinal waves. Primary waves are longitudinal waves and secondary waves are transverse waves. So here the thing has been interchanged. So D is the correct answer. The next question is the most destructive waves in seismic waves are. So C is the correct answer here, surface waves. These waves are also known as long period waves or L waves. It originates when P wave hits the surface, that is the primary waves. This wave affect only the surface of the earth. They are the most destructive and cover the longest distance among the three types of waves. The next question is the intensity of seismic waves is measured by. So here D is the correct answer. Rosie-Farrell scale, Mercalli scale and Richter scale. Alright, the next question is the line joining places of same seismic intensity. We are speaking of intensity. So intensity wise it will be isoseismal. We have isoseismal. The lines joining the regions of same seismic intensity is called as isoseismal line. On the other hand, the lines joining the places which experience the earthquake tremors at the same time, they are known as homoseismal line. At the same time they experience earthquake. And here it is intensity. Then isohaline is the places which have equal salinity. All right, we shall move to the next question. Worldwide, earthquakes are majorly distributed in which of the following regions? So here D is the correct answer. We have majorly distributed in the Circum-Pacific belt, which accounts for around 63% of the total earthquake of the world. This includes Chile, California, Alaska, Japan, Philippines, New Zealand, etc. Then we have in the mid-continental belt, which consists of around 21% of the total earthquake. This region is also known as Mediterranean or Alpine Himalayan belt. Then we also have it in the mid-Atlantic ridge. And other regions are also included, like the Great Rift Valley of Africa, Gulf of Aden to the Arabian Sea. All right, we shall move to the next question. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? Please read the questions correctly and please mark wherever you see such small things, they lead you to make big errors. So earthquakes are caused by tsunami. Let's see the second statement. The height of tsunami wave increases abnormally in coastal shallow areas. This is the correct statement. The highest tsunami occurs in Pacific. This is also correct. And from the tsunami point of view, Pacific is the most dangerous position. The D statement is deep ocean assessment and reporting of tsunami is a technique to detect tsunami. This is also correct. So the first statement is an incorrect statement. Tsunami is caused by earthquake, not earthquake is, and not vice versa. All right. Tsunami is a Japanese word which means oncoming oceanic waves. It originates in the oceans due to earthquake that occurs on the ocean bed. The next question is, the tsunami warning system is located in? It is located in Hyderabad. India started the most advanced tsunami warning system in October 2007. The next question is, here statement and reason is given. The mountainous part of the Himalayas and the plains of the north are highly earthquake-prone areas. The reason is the Indian plate continues to push the Eurasian plate. So here A is the correct answer. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. An explosive eruption occurs when there is excess of silica in the volcano's magma. The second statement is volcanic lava can originate in the form of a central eruption or cracked ejection. So here, which of the statements are true? Here C is the correct answer. C. A volcano is a vent or opening through which magma, ash, gases and water vapors are ejected. Volcanic city is a term which is used to cover all the activities from the rising of magma and gases to getting it cool in various forms, either on the surface of the earth or below it. The ejection of magma is either in the form of central explosion or cracked ejection. This is a true statement. So let's move to the next question. You have to match the landforms formed by internal deposition of volcanic lava. Batholith is correct. Dome-shaped magma deposition. Laccolith. Laccolith are uplifted slope acquiring the shape of a dome. Then lapolith. Lapolith is a solidified lava of basin region and pacholith is solid arched part of antisyncline and syncline. So here 1A, 2C, 3B and 4D is the correct answer. The next question is, horizontal deposition of lava is called sill and vertical deposition is called dyke. This is correct. Sill is something like this and dyke is something like this, the deposition. A thin layer of sill is called sheets and a small portion of dykes is called stocks. So here both the statements are correct. The next question is, but I'm really sorry for this. Here it is asked, see, we tend to make this type of mistakes in exams also. So reading the questions properly is very important. Here it is asked about incorrect statement. So D will be the correct answer because both the statements are correct. Incorrect. So let's move forward. Consider the following statement. The elongated spherical shape formed on a volcanic cone is called crater. The expanded form of a crater is called caldera. Here again we have to find out the incorrect statement. So neither 1 nor 2, as both the statements are correct. The next question is, the Old Faithful Geyser is located in? It is located in USA. Old Faithful Geyser. Now geyser is a special type of hot spring which sprouts hot water and vapor from time to time. The next question is, where is the Valley of 10,000 Smokes? So this Valley of 10,000 Smoke is located in Yellowstone National Park. So Koh Sultan is a place in Iran, which is also fumarole, and White Island fumarole is in the Bay of Plenty. In the Bay of Plenty we have White Island. Fumarole I'll explain. White Island is in Gulf of Plenty. Gulf of Plenty is in New Zealand. Fumaroles being such a vent through which there is emission of gases and water vapors. So let's move forward. The following is not an active volcano. So here D is the correct answer. Narcondam Island. This is located in India. Narcondam is not an active volcano. Others are active volcano. Stromboli is known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean. The Etna and Stromboli is located in the Mediterranean Sea. And these are the most important examples of active volcanoes. Then we have Mount Erebus, which is in Antarctica. We'll come forward with some questions like this also in the next slide. Barren Island volcano located in Andaman and Nicobar Island is an active volcano. The next question is, which of the following is not a dormant volcano? Mount Etna. I already told you this is an active volcano. This is located in the Mediterranean Sea. Mount Etna is in Sicily. The next question is, which of the following are correctly matched? Here C is the correct answer. Mauna Loa is an active volcano. Koh Sultan is a dead volcano or extinct volcano. And Kilimanjaro is a dead volcano. The next question is, Chimborazo volcano is located in? Chimborazo volcano is located in the equator. The next question is, you have to match the following. These are active volcanoes. These are some of the volcanoes located in different countries. Popocatépetl. It is located in Mexico. We have Popa in Myanmar. Mount Rainier is in America and Pinatubo is in Philippines. 1D. B is the correct answer. The next question is, around 80% of the world's volcanoes are found at the destructive plate boundaries. This is correct. About 2/3 of the world's volcanoes are found in both coastal parts of Pacific Ocean islands, Arc and Sea Island. This is a correct statement. So here it is asked about incorrect. So D is the correct answer. 74D. The next question is, which of the following is an incorrect statement? Let's see from the last statement. The process of filling the low-lying areas is called agradation. So from the name only we can judge this as agradation. The process of bringing down the higher parts by erosion is called degradation. This is also correct. The statement sounds very correct. Physical weathering results in decomposition and chemical weathering results in disintegration. We don't know about this. The next thing is, in weathering there is decomposition and disintegration of rocks, while in erosion there is dynamic action. This is correct. Physical weathering results in disintegration and chemical weathering results in decomposition. So B is the correct statement, correct answer here, which is an incorrect statement. The next question is, you have to match the following. V-shaped valleys, river, correct. U-shaped valley, glaciers. Zygons, wind, and indented coastline, seawater. So A is the correct answer. V-shaped valley, I-shaped valley, gorge, canyon, waterfall, rapids, meanders. These are all done by running water. U-shaped valley, hanging valley, cirques, arides, horns, Roche mountains, fjords, crag and tail, all these are formed by glaciers. Mushroom rocks, pedestral rocks, zygons, yardangs, all these are formed by wind action. We have cliffs, we have stacks, we have chimneys, we have wave-cut platform, indented coastlines formed by seawater. We have lappies, we have sinkhole, ovalas, dolines, cockpits, collapsings, solution pan, blind valley, karst solution valley. These are formed by groundwater. These are very, very, very important. Now the next statement is, consider the following. The area drained by a river and its tributary is called as catchment area. This is a correct statement. The elevated land which separates the catchment of two river basins is called water divider. This is also correct. So here the question is about true statement. So C is the correct answer. The next question is, Victoria Falls is located in Zambezi River. Falls are very important for us to remember. We have the next question about India. The following is correctly matched. We have to find a correctly matched pair. Dhuandhar Falls, Narmada, correct. Jaisoppa Fall is located in the Shravasti River. This is in Karnataka. This is also known as Jog Falls. Hundru Falls in the Subarnarekha River. They are well known for their scenic beauty. So A is the correct answer here. The next question is, again you have to match Arquette Delta, Nile River, Bird's Foot Delta, very well known, very famous, Mississippi, Missouri River. Estuarine type is Narmada and Cascade Delta is Ebro River. C is the correct answer. The next question is, which of the following is world's largest continent by area? It will be Africa. Very easy question. From which continent the three lines of Cancer, Capricorn and Equator pass through? This is Africa. We have tried to incorporate one-day type of question also, which are frequently asked in one-day exams, because we don't know about state PECs. Their mood always swings. They are sometimes more towards one day and sometimes towards UPSC. So we will not take risk. We'll practice both types of question. Which of the following is given the name as white continent? This is Antarctica. The next question is, which of the following is known as peninsula of peninsula? South America is the correct answer. The next question is, which of the following is an island continent? This is a wrong question. Which of the following is an island continent? This will be Australia. The next question is about an incorrect statement we have to find out. The range of mountains and hills formed in a single span and in a narrow belt is called a mountain range. This is a correct statement, so this cannot be the answer. Different parallel ranges and isolated mountains formed in different periods form a mountain chain. This is also correct. The mountain groups and the mountain system together forms the cordillera. This is also a correct statement, so this cannot be the answer. Mountains are the first order reliefs on the Earth's surface. This is a wrong statement. They are the second order relief on the Earth's surface. The next question is, consider the following statements. Folded mountains are formed as a result of compressive force. So this is a correct statement. This mountain is the highest and the widest mountain in the world. So we have to find out the true statement. C is the correct answer. So folded mountains are the most highest and the widest mountain. This is a correct statement. Sierra Nevada is the world's widest block mountain. It is located in America. Block mountains originate due to the forces of tension leading to the formation of a rift valley. They are also known as fault block mountain. Another name given to block mountain is host mountains. Sierra Nevada is specifically located in California and it is considered to be the most extensive block mountain of the world. Other examples we have like Wash Mountain ranges in Utah province of USA, Vosges and Black Forest Mountain of Europe. Rhine Valley is formed due to submergence of the middle part. So let's move to the next question. Salt Range Block Mountain is located in Pakistan. The next question is, which of the following is not an example of residual mountain? Vindhyachal, Satpura, Aravali, Shivalik. Shivalik is the correct answer because these are the young fold mountains or the alpine mountains. Rest are examples of residual mountains and these are located in India. In which era was the Aravali mountain built? Aravali mountain was built in the Precambrian era. The mountains which were built during the Precambrian era were the most ancient mountains, but due to excessive weathering and erosion, these mountains are partially found. Some of the mountains included from this period are Laurentian Mountain, which is located in USA. Fennoscandian and Northwest Highlands of Europe are also Precambrian mountains. Aravali from India also belongs to this period. So let's see some important mountains of the Caledonian era. We have Vindhyachal Mountains, Satpura, Mahadev. These are from the Caledonian era. From the Hercynian era, we have the Black Forest. And from the Alpine, we have the Himalayas, Karakoram ranges. All right. The next question is, which of the following is correctly matched? North America's highest peak. South America's highest peak, Kilimanjaro. Africa's highest peak, Aconcagua. So, North America's highest peak is Mount McKinley. This is a correct statement. South America's highest peak is Aconcagua. And Africa's highest peak is Kilimanjaro. This has been interchanged. So, 1 is the correct answer. The next question is, you have to match the following. Andes ranges, Rockies, North America, Andes, South America, Great Dividing Range, Australia, and Atlas Mountain in Northwest Africa. 1C, 1C, 1B, 2C, D is the correct answer. 1B, 2C, 3D, and 4A. The next question is, geosynclines are also called the cradles of mountain. Reason is the folding of the Tethys Sea resulted in formation of Himalayan mountain ranges. So here both A and R are correct. But R does not explain A correctly. B is the correct answer here. Geosynclines are the long, narrow, and shallow water depressions which are characterized by sedimentation and subsidence. They are closely related with the process of mountain building, so they are also known as cradles of mountains by Kober. The next question is, Anatolia Plateau is located in Turkey. We have some of the most important plateau we can discuss, like this Anatolia Plateau, Bolivian Plateau, Peruvian Plateau. All these are examples of intermontane plateau. Plateaus are also of different kinds. Like we have Asia Minor Plateau and Anatolia Plateau, which is located in Turkey. We have Alaska Plateau in USA, Columbian Plateau in USA, Colorado in USA. The next question is, here we can match, like this is a question about plateaus. Meseta Plateau is located in Spain, Columbia Plateau in America, Colorado, Canada. So all the three above is the correct answer. The next question is, dense settlement of population is seen on the alluvial plains. The reason is alluvial plains are areas of fertile land for agriculture. So here A is the correct answer. The next question is, the factors responsible for construction of lowest plain is air. Lowest plain are formed due to deposition of sand and clay brought by the winds. These plains lack in layers but are highly porous. The soil of this plain is very fertile and they are generally found in the northern China, Turkmenistan, and Mississippi region. Likewise, we have penny plains, we have glacial plains, we have karst plains, we have alluvial plains, which we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Will not miss any points because these are very important for our exams. The next question is, consider the following statements. The Thar Desert is the most densely populated desert in the world. So the Thar Desert is located in Rajasthan, India. The next statement is, Antarctica is a cold desert. So here it is asked about the true statements. So both the statements are true. The last question of the day is, the world's largest desert by area is Sahara. This is located in Africa. Sahara and Kalahari are located in Africa. Thar is in India and Gobi is in Mongolia. So that's all for this video. We'll come up with some new questions in the next video. Till then, thank you for listening and like, share and subscribe.